Imagine hitting the road with a camper that's compact, efficient, and built for adventure. But wait, this isn't your usual RV. This is something smaller, lighter, and way cooler. Meet the Camper Tricycle RV, a game-changer in the world of microcamping. It's a mix of mobility and freedom, designed for those who want to explore without the hassle of a full-sized motorhome. Picture this, a three-wheeled camper that combines the convenience of a motorcycle with the comfort of a tiny RV. It's got a sleek design, compact enough to maneuver through tight streets and winding roads but spacious enough to provide a cozy retreat after a long ride. Whether you're traveling solo or with a companion, this microcamper is a unique way to experience life on the go. Let's talk about the build. Most camper tricycle RVs feature an aerodynamic shell, crafted from lightweight yet durable materials. Fiberglass, aluminum, or reinforced plastic are commonly used to keep things sturdy while maintaining fuel efficiency. The tricycle setup offers excellent stability, making it a safer alternative to traditional motorcycles while still being nimble on the road. With electric or fuel-powered options, these campers cater to both eco-conscious travelers and those who crave a little extra horsepower. Now, what's inside? You'd be surprised by how much fits into this tiny space. Many models come equipped with a fold-out bed, a compact kitchenette, and even a small table for dining or working on the go. Some high-end designs even feature solar panels, providing off-grid capabilities for longer adventures. Storage is cleverly built into every nook and cranny, maximizing the limited space so you can bring your essentials without feeling cramped. One of the best things about the Camper Tricycle RV is its versatility. City travel? No problem. It's small enough to park in tight spaces and can even fit in a standard garage. Want to take it off the beaten path? Some models come with rugged tires and reinforced suspensions, allowing you to venture into nature with ease. Whether you're camping at a scenic lake, cruising along a coastal highway, or setting up for a night under the stars, this camper is ready for the adventure. Fuel efficiency is another major win. Compared to traditional RVs, which guzzle gas like there's no tomorrow, this lightweight alternative sips fuel, making long trips more affordable. If you go electric, charging up is even cheaper, and with solar panels, you could potentially camp for days without worrying about power. It's an eco-friendly option that aligns with a sustainable travel lifestyle. Let's talk about who this is perfect for. Digital nomads, solo travelers, and minimalists will love the freedom it offers. Imagine working from a mountain view or a lakeside retreat, all from your tiny yet functional camper. Weekend warriors who don't want the hassle of a large RV will also appreciate the convenience. And if you're someone who loves motorcycles but wants a little more comfort, this is your dream ride. Customization is another highlight. Many manufacturers offer add-ons, so you can tailor the Camper Tricycle RV to your needs. Need extra storage? Done. Want a built-in sound system? No problem. How about a mini shower setup? You got it. The possibilities are endless, making this a truly personalized travel companion. Safety is always a concern when traveling, but these campers are built with that in mind. With a lower center of gravity than traditional motorcycles and added stability from the third wheel, tipping over is far less likely. Many models also feature weather-resistant shells, ensuring that rain or wind won't ruin your adventure. Some even come with built-in security features, like lockable storage compartments and GPS tracking. Now, let's talk price. While a traditional RV can set you back tens of thousands of dollars, a Camper Tricycle RV is far more budget-friendly. Prices vary based on features, but you can get a well-equipped model for a fraction of the cost of a full-sized motorhome. That means more money for your travels, experiences, and of course, great food along the way. So, where can you take this tiny home on wheels? The possibilities are endless. Imagine cruising through winding mountain roads, stopping for a coffee with an ocean view, or setting up camp in a remote forest without worrying about massive parking spaces. Road trips become effortless, and spontaneous getaways are just a ride away. Would you try a Camper Tricycle RV? Whether you're a traveler at heart, an adventurer looking for the next thrill, or just someone who loves cool, innovative vehicles, this could be the perfect way to explore the world. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Where would you take your Camper Tricycle on its first adventure? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing travel and vehicle content. Safe travels and see you on the road.